Hello everyone and welcome to Lisa B. Thank you so much for joining me. Find a quiet place to lie down or just stay seated if that's more comfortable and just relax. So if you're lying down, palms down can be grounding, palms up can be energizing. You can straighten the legs, let the feet fall out to the side, close your eyes and just stay in with the breath. Inhale, notice the belly expands and the ribs expand. Exhaling, notice the belly deflates and the ribs draw down. Inhale through the nose, belly expands. Exhale through the nose, belly draws down. Nice, easy breath. Just making any last little adjustments to get comfortable, relaxing the shoulders. And then just bringing your attention to your feet. As you exhale, let the soles of the feet, the top of the feet, the toes relax. And then on your next exhale, letting the ankles and the calf muscles relax. On your next exhale, let your knees, the front of the thighs, the back of the thighs, relax. On your next exhale, let your hips and your pelvis relax. On your next exhale, just let the belly relax. Exhaling to relax the lower back, middle back, and upper back. Exhaling to relax the front of the chest. Exhaling to relax the right shoulder, forearm, palm of the hand, back of the hand, and the fingers. Exhaling to relax the left shoulder, forearm, palm of the hand, back of the hand, and the fingers. Exhaling to relax the neck muscles. Exhaling to relax the scalp and the crown of the head. Exhaling to relax the neck muscles, the front of the neck and the sides of the neck. Exhaling to relax the jaw, the nose, the right cheek, the left cheek, the right eye, the left eye, and the forehead. Exhaling to relax the whole body. Exhaling to relax the whole body. Exhaling to relax the whole body. Big inhale, exhale. Just moving the fingers and the toes, clenching the fists and releasing, flexing the feet and releasing, bringing the knees into the chest, just rolling onto your right side, pressing yourself up into a seated position. Just notice how the body feels, gentle circles of the head in one direction, then the other.